Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, today bringing you this fantastic offering in the form of this Audi A1 City hatchback. This particular example is the funky S-Line Style Edition, finished here in this two-tone silver metallic colour with contrasting black roof and wing mirrors. Powered by a 1.4TFSI engine, there's going to be plenty on offer with the likes of automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers, complemented here by these LED daytime running lights. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, this car will benefit from a 1,000-mile 30-day warranty with the option of taking out an extended RAC cover for additional peace of mind. Moving towards the side of the vehicle to complement the silver metallic colour will be a set of these 17-inch V-spoke designed bi-colour alloy wheels with prominent S-line badging and again contrasting wing mirrors and black roof as well. Being a 5-door is that little bit more practical, and passengers in the rear won't have any trouble getting in and out as there's plenty of legroom and a headroom on offer for up to 3 passengers. The upholstery is finished in part cloth and leather with contrasting light stitching, and there's even 2 Isofix child anchor points, so it's easy to strap the little ones in too. Moving towards the rear, prominent LED taillights will be complemented by twin exhaust pipes for that sportier look, and the boot space can easily accommodate a week's worth of shopping. You can create more space by folding the seats down in a 60-40 split, and other solutions will include tether hooks and even shopping hooks to hang up any delicate items. For added versatility, the boot floor is also variable, so you can lower it to create more depth, and underneath there is even storage for all your tyre inflation kits. A quick glimpse inside the front of the cabin will offer a redesigned leather-wrapped sports steering wheel, along with an infotainment screen for all your entertainment, and front sport seats will have additional side lumbar support for comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Audi A1. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoy watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Audi A1, there really is plenty to enjoy. Lots of soft touch materials and a stylish cabin are guaranteed to put a smile on your face, whilst the driver control panels are easy to reach and will operate electrically, folding and wing mirrors and windows, as well as easy to use headlight controls. The multifunction steering wheel can operate volume and voice control from the right side, with the left side operating trip computer and various options, and there is even a cruise control with a speed limiter function. The infotainment screen will also offer you digital speedometer to complement analog dials and can also display range, fuel economy and also trip. Various key information will be displayed there, and you can also operate your AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, as well as Bluetooth contacts can be dialed on the move, and even sat-nav guidance can be displayed. Moving over towards the center of the console, the screen automatically will fold open or close depending on your usage. It's operated by a rotary dial on the center console and will have plenty on offer. Driver assist modes will incorporate the benefit of reverse audible parking sensors, which are a great addition, especially to avoid nasty scratches to your bumpers when reversing into a space. Additionally, other great features will also incorporate the addition of telephony for your Bluetooth, and that will also incorporate Bluetooth audio for wireless media streaming. The car comes with built-in sat-nav, and it will also offer live traffic updates to make sure you never get stuck in any nasty traffic jams. The sat-nav itself is also very easy to operate and can support full 7-digit postcodes, while sat-nav mapping offers both 2D and 3D views, whichever you prefer. Media inputs will also unlock various add-ons you may wish to use through the source function, and you can see here there is a CD player and the Bluetooth audio function I mentioned earlier. Radio station itself will support full AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, so you can enjoy crisp sound quality on the move. Finally, if you're a music fan, you'll be fully able to adjust the sound system throughout the vehicle, optimizing the treble, bass and balance, as well as a fader function as well for that crisp sound quality. Moving down the cabin, physical shortcuts and controls will be available, and that rotary dial I mentioned earlier is the big silver one there. Easy to use air conditioning system can also be operated on the move, which is great for the summer months ahead of us, with large storage for your cup holders too, and there's even a decent sized space glove box to hide any items out of public view. Also, auto dimming rearview mirror is one of the added bonuses to have with this Audi A1. This has been a presentation of the Audi A1 S-Line Style Edition that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.